What is up, çocuklar? And we wish you a Merry Christmas. Srećan Bojić and Mutlu Noeller on Kidbreak's Chronicles. So, Merry Christmas in Trilingual such as English, Serbian, and Turkish. So, get big and eatable. We wish you a Merry Noeller, Bojić, and Christmas. I have my trilingual Christmas happening on Match. I was been dobro viesti a haber and good news about Christmas in trilingual version of words. I'm sorry. On Serbian, Turkish, and English are trilingual favorites of mine obsessed in languages. So Serbophile, Turkophile, and my favorite on Christmas has been Christmas 2024, making fun of family and friends like Isak, maybe with Andy, maybe with someone else on my Denver. I'm sorry, forget about Carrie's Chronicles. So check out my 16th video. Give a good concern about Merry Christmas in 2024. We miss videos like when memories of match. I can't wait to try remembering in 2024. Like Christmas is fun in my house, but Christmas is finally fun in 2024. Plus, I hope fan of Merry Christmas by the family and friends from all peers from around the world. I have no clue about many people can survive, but making fun of Serbian, Turkish, and English Christmas activities for myself. I have no fun at all because of Christmas. I have no idea about a lot of Christmas activities for myself, so I have big concern about Christmas. Every people want to celebrate Christmas. But I mean Kidbreak celebrate Christmas for a long time. I have no idea, no concerns, and no prosperities about Christmas. Big happen on Christmas Eve, then tomorrow Christmas Day. On Kidbreak's channel, no way. Gives a long rant about for my Christmas. I'm giving a long concern about Christmas is fun, but I give a good concern about Merry Christmas in 2024. That's not too much for my friends or Christmas or not. They're not actually not time for taking about a Christmas hangout, but Srania's independence talk about on Christmas. I have no concern about largely Christmas to celebrate my family and friends, plus your relatives and cousins are. I have no idea, no elsewhere, and no Oriental suck the bad days about on Christmas. If you know about Christmas rant in 2024, want to give a good concern about Christmas, having good concern about Christmas, like you know about on Christmas rant, it's not the concern about Christmas concerns. I have no idea, no progress, and no big turns. So Christmas is actually fun for my family and friends. I'm sorry, family and friends on Christmas. I have no idea. Why did I attitudes on Christmas give a good rant? So stop being on Christmas bad Christmas fan also. Taking a darn worry for a Proclet or Faisha Christmas. So the weather, Bojić or Christmas, I don't know what to get so big about sick to Christmas, but Noeller, Bojić, or Christmas, I have no concern about for a long Christmas as a fun day with my friends at Kidbreak's Chronicles on my channel. So I give a good advice for a long Christmas fun with my friends. I have no idea about Christmas rant of no concerns. No more concern about for a mind Christmas activities for your friends or not. They're not also meant for Christmas for a long time. Since actually for bad days for a long Christmas, for 1 month of December because Christmas and news, I've seen on Turkish language news in English about the Christmas is canceled in West Bank because of the war in Gaza. The bad days article, no joys, no trees, and no lights, no Santa Claus in the West Bank, Palestine. Like, no idea. Also, no out taken for a long Christmas fan. So, no Christmas in the West Bank, no joys, no fears, no parades, no caroling. Because of the war in Gaza, like last year, second year's Christmas cancellation on the West Bank because of the war in Gaza. Palestinians like no other defense. No Palestinians on Christmas in the West Bank because of Christmas. No Christmas in the West Bank, no caroling, no joy, no trees, no parades. Because of war in Gaza, like bad days for Christmas, having bad fans, good fans, and sick dear fans, and sorry fans, bad fans on Christmas. Check it out my sick dear video on Kidbreak's Chronicles, like #1 fan and big fan of Christmas, Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day. Thank you guys for watching on Kidbreak's Chronicles. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Kidbreak's Chronicles, Srećan Bojžić, Mutlu Noeller, and Merry Christmas. And no more na Yeni Yıl and Happy New Year 2024. Next month is 2025.